plan for hair falling. Here I am sharing with you. In homeopathy, we filter every symptom by using different filtration. We have 170 remedies in homeopathy for hair falling, for brittle hair, for tangling of hair, dry hairs or hair baldness. We have different medicine according to different symptoms. But about baldness, I would like to suggest you one thing, that try to avoid it. Once it enters in your body, once you become totally bald, it is really difficult to treat. Premature graying of hairs can be treated successfully with homeopathy. But try to understand the word premature graying. Premature graying means if you are suffering from graying of hairs before the age of 30 or 35. After the age of 35, nowadays it is considered as a normal graying of hair. So it is not a premature graying of hair. Because once a man 60 years old, he contacted me and he said, "Doctor, I want my hairs to be black," because his daughter-in-law was my patient and I helped her. Her premature graying of hair was solved in my clinic with homeopathy medicine, and that's why this old person came. Then I need to explain him that, "Sir, I can't help you because you are not in the premature graying of hair. He is already a senile person, old person, and the changes with the senility is normal, considered as normal. So here there is no role for a homeopath." Now there are 13 remedies in homeopathy for plica polonica. You know what is plica polonica? Sometimes our hairs get tangled like this, as we see in the sadhus in Haridwar or Rishikesh or in yogi people, or few children also suffer from this issue. So it is the obstinate tangling of the hairs when they become totally difficult to comb them is known as plica polonica. And trust me, homeopathy has 13 remedies for this. It just solves the plica polonica with the help of remedies. Then lusterless hair again has the solution in homeopathy. We do not suggest you a lot shampoo or different types of oil. We just give you the remedies as per your constitution and your choices, your desires, your aversions. It means according to your personality. Now splitting of hairs can be swallowed either in the salon or homeopathy is at your service with the two remedies, borax and thuja. Sometimes patient has typical headache plus hair fall when they bind the hair tightly, and for that also we have two remedies like belladonna and calinatrium. Trichotillomania is a mental disorder. You must be knowing about it. It is a OCD in which patient unknowingly all the time picks his hair or pulls his hair and break it. I had very bad case of trichotillomania in my career and I treated that girl with the help of homeopathic remedy. So it is not about hair falling, but it is related to your mind. It is a psychiatric disorder, but ultimately by losing your hairs you are losing your cosmetic value, you are losing your beauty. So here we have the remedies like calibrum and hyoscyamus and few other remedies you may search in our repertory. It is the keynote for homeopaths. Now tangling hairs, withered hairs, difficult combing, all these issues has the answers in homeopathy. Sometimes we have excessive hair growth at an unusual part of the body. Like I have a lot of ladies patients suffering from hair growth at chin, upper lip and nipples. See, this abnormal hair growth, excessive hair growth is known as hirsutism, and it is a part of PCOS when the hormones get imbalanced. So here you are not going to deal with the hair, but you are going to deal with the hormones of the patient. See, lace hair is a big trouble having cosmetic value. Excessive hair is again a big trouble having same cosmetic value. So please try to understand the reason behind the hair fall, then it will be really easy to deal with such cases. Now let me talk about two important things which homeopathy has sure short answer. One is baldness and second is alopecia areata. Alopecia areata is again a baldness, but it is in the spots. It is not the complete baldness. Alopecia areata has two types. One is alopecia areata totalis and second is universalis. Now, baldness in young people. If you have some patients who is quite young but still baldness is there, then we have the remedies like Beretta carb, Silicea and few more remedies in homeopathy. If baldness occurred after any sexually transmitted diseases, see nowadays our youth is enjoying their life as per their sentence or as per their wording, but sometimes being little careless can land them in different sexually transmitted diseases. And if they have any type of baldness after suffering from STDs, then you have particular remedy in homeopathy, that is Calisulf. But please don't take it without the expert opinion of your doctor. Alopecia, if androgenetic alopecia is very common nowadays and it is because of hereditary issues. But with good medication, we can definitely handle it. In homeopathy, almost 22 remedies are listed under the rubric alopecia. Like we have Episars, Calcarea, Graphitis, Heparsulf, then Calisulf and Phosphorus and many more. Now here I am going to share a very beautiful clinical case. 2 years back, one 17 years old guy visited me, and actually he visited me for alopecia, but I would like to say the term baldness because he didn't have lot of hairs on his head. So I couldn't place him in the alopecia. It was a complete type of baldness for me. On observation, I found that it is really difficult to deal in such cases. Now what to do? There were no hereditary issues and he himself not suffered from any major disorder since his birth. So his past history was totally nil and family history was also good. When you do not have any clues from the patient and you have only 1 or 2 symptoms in the case, we call it as a one-sided disease. During my interview, he told me that he was spending more than 5 hours on the mobile, either playing games or surfing Google. I decided to go with this Stalwart's experience because no symptoms, no past history, no family history was there to suppose for the medication. Now how to proceed? So I thought I should go with the opinion of Stalwart's. Somewhere literature mentioned that Lycopodium is the best remedy for alopecia areata. So I considered 2 remedies in this case. First is Lycopodium in high potency along with Belispar 30. Because of the maximum use of mobile, we have the remedy Belispar. So I gave him this combination for 2 months. After 2 months, when he visited, he has little development of hairs on his scalp. But the case was standstill. I gave the same medicines and again I told him to visit me after 2 months. When after 4 months, since beginning of the treatment, after 4 months, the case was standstill. No more improvement. Then I decided that I should give him the nozodes. Nozodes are the homeopathic remedies which are prepared from the diseased tissue or organs or discharges to help the patient to remove the imprints of different type of disorders from his immunity. So I gave him nozode and after 2 months when he visited me, just surprisingly, trust me, his baldness converted into alopecia areata. There were different small spots of hair on his scalp. Then I continued the same medicine along with some sarcodes, and after again 4 months, he had only one small spot of alopecia left on his occiput here, which his mother was showing me. You can see in this picture. Later on, after the complete treatment, after 13 months since beginning from the treatment, I needed my glasses to search this any bald spot on his scalp. Total hair growth was there and he was absolutely fine. See, in homeopathy, we have the solutions for everything like alopecia, hair fall, dandruff, everything. But my friends, we need different time for different patient. Every patient is a new patient. So we cannot apply that this patient needed 13 months. So every patient I will cure in 13 months. Maybe it can be 6 months, maybe it can require 2 years. So, and one more thing here I would like to explain you that homeopathy is not a long-term pathy. It's a myth. We require little more time because you expect cure from us. You do not want us to just palliate your symptoms. And when you expect cure, it requires little more time. because we clear all the diseases in the past and we treat you from the root cause. My all work, my homeopathic work in my profession is always evidence based, as you just witnessed the beautiful case of alopecia. And that's why I decided to prepare a hair kit. Right now we have a very beautiful and beneficial hair kit for you, in which uh, I have placed all my reliable remedies which are beneficial for hair fall, dandruff, alopecia, along with different metals, nozodes, sarcodes, and few oils which I would recommend you to use along with these remedies. If you want this hair kit, you can mail me on the below mail ID. And yes, if you really feel that today's content is worthy and you liked it, then only please like my video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching me.